Click on your profile picture or profile name at the top left of the screen. Select your own name on top of the Sign Out button. Tap on the Edit button at the top right corner. You may start to change your email for Stripe account login. After you've done changing the email, tap on the Save button over here. Stripe then will send the verification mail to your first or your current email that you used to log in. So click on Send Verification button and go to your email message. You will see this kind of email, then click on Verify Identity button. You will see this pop up to enter the 6-digit code verification on your authenticator application on your phone. So enter the 6 number and hit the Continue button. After that, Stripe will send the verification again, but right now on your brand new email. Make sure both of those emails were true and tap on the Confirm New Email Address button. You are then good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.